everyone, Candia here with For the Love of Paper and Ink. Welcome back. Today we're going to pick the subscriber who is going to win the giveaway for these items. Thank you all for commenting and entering the giveaway. Before we go ahead and pick the giveaway winner, I wanted to show you what I made with the items. So I made this little ephemera folder, and I used the papers to create this fun little cover and insides of this ephemera folder holder. So this is the papers I chose to use on the outside, and as you can see I did it in the travel theme, but inside I have these clear pockets to hold all my ephemera in, and I think it turned out so adorable and useful. So what I'm going to do is next week I'm going to show you guys how I made this, so that if you're inclined to make an ephemera holder for your ephemera, you can make one like this. It's a smaller sized one, and I like it because it's not gigantic and heavy and bulky to use. It's perfect for little pieces of ephemera. So that is what I made with the papers and stickers from this kit. And so I can't wait to see what whoever wins this, what they make with the kit. They'll have to share it with us. And so let's go ahead without further ado and pick the winner. So I have the YouTube video entered here in the random comment picker, and let's see who wins. Maggie Dog, you won this raffle. You would email us at info4theloveofpaper&ink. We will get your package sent out to you. So congratulations, Maggie Dog. You get all this fun little kit of ephemera for creating a journal with. And if you need help with creating a journal, there are some videos on our channel about how to create journals with journal kit products. So congratulations again, Maggie Dog, and thank you for being a subscriber, and thank you all for entering our 600 subscriber giveaway contest. And we hope you continue to enjoy our channel and have fun watching and learning from us. So thank you all for watching. If you are not a subscriber yet, we hope you please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, and share with your friends and family any of our videos that you enjoy. And please stay tuned every Tuesday for new and upcoming videos. So we'll talk to you later. Bye.